everyone. This morning I'm getting ready to work on planting my sweet potato plants. I've taken up 3 of the covers that were on there for 3 rows of sweet potatoes, and I've already planted 1 row, and I'm leaving this one cover down for a while until I have my blue sweet potato plants ready. The soil is moist, it's crumbly, and it's very easy to work with. You can see how easily that breaks up. Okay, it's time to see how this garlic turned out. These health kick tomatoes are getting a good start, and this morning I've done a little hoeing around them, and now I'm going to trim some of the lower leaves and take some of the suckers off the lower part of the plant. One thing I notice as I walk through the garden and work on my plants, I don't see hardly any pollinators around. Last year I noticed there were a lot less pollinators, so that's a concern if it stays like that. We found this bumblebee here in the yard that looks like it is about dead. It's not moving. And you notice all these clover blooms in the yard have no bees on them, no honeybees, no bumblebees. Normally there would be bees, pollinators, flying around the clover blooms. Putting more leaves around these tomatoes to help hold in moisture and help keep some of the weeds down. Larry asked me if I needed help with this job, but I told him no, even though it's a little bit hard. I like to do it because it helps me keep my muscles stronger. As we age, we lose muscle, and if we don't use our muscles, we lose them even faster. So I get good exercise without paying to go to a gym. Okay, there we have the tomatoes all staked. Now in the next few days I'll tie those up using a stake and weave method, or some call it a Florida weave method, and I have that explained in another video. So if you'd like to see how that's done, I'll put a link down below so you can go and see how that's done. And okay, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.